The 2016 BMW 7 Series. Explanation of the touch controls, display, keyboard, controller, climate, and stratification. The iDrive main menu displays separate menus for media radio, communication, navigation, connected drive, my vehicle, and notifications. Press a small icon at the top left corner to also display Last Use menus. Last Use menus are the menus and submenus that you've recently selected. The back button allows you to step back to the previous page or menu. Press the Option button to activate the split screen. In the split screen content, the top choice shows what is currently selected. You can choose to display map facing north, arrow display, position, onboard information, trip computer, media radio, or the time. You also have the ability to personalize the selection menu. Here, you can add or remove the split screen choices. When entering a navigation address or any search field using touch, a speller keyboard will appear. To ensure driver safety, the keyboard function of the touchscreen will be locked while driving. However, the iDrive touch controller is fully functional to complete input. To make any menu selections using touch, simply touch your selection with one finger. To move between menus, touch or slide. To change the map scale, you can use pinch zoom with map view active. To return to the home page from any menu, press the home icon at the top left corner, or press the menu button on the iDrive controller. Both the iDrive touch controller and the touchscreen keyboard can be used to enter input fields for navigation destinations, contact, search, or telephone number. To spell out a word using the controller touchpad, draw each letter with your finger until recognized, or highlight the letter on the speller by turning the controller and pressing down to select. When you are in the controller speller, the display will automatically switch to the keyboard speller as soon as your finger gets within 3 inches of the screen or when you touch the screen. To go back to the controller speller display, simply touch or turn the controller. Anytime you're selecting menus using the touch screen, the keyboard speller will automatically display when an input field is required. Be aware that for safety reasons, the keyboard speller is locked while driving. However, letters can still be entered using the controller speller, either by turning the controller or by drawing letters on its surface. The climate control system is located in the center dash. The driver and front passenger can choose separate climate settings or share the same configuration by selecting Sync. Turn this control to select the temperature. In manual mode, you can adjust the fan speed using these buttons. Once in auto mode, the vehicle adjusts the fan speed automatically, but you can use these buttons to control intensity. This button controls seat heating with 3 intensity levels available. Seat ventilation activates fans that blow circulated air through the seat for added comfort. To warm the ventilated air, press the seat heat button. Push the fragrance button to lightly scent the cabin with a fragrance of your choice at 3 intensity levels. Select the recirculation button to recirculate the air inside the cabin and to keep out pollutants. This can also be set automatically through the iDrive system. Go to My Vehicle, Vehicle Settings, Climate Functions, Air Quality, and Automatic Air Recirculation. When this is activated, you no longer need to press the recirculation button. Ionization is another feature. It will cleanse polluted air coming into the vehicle, helping you breathe both easier and safer. When activated, an icon will appear in the climate display. Stratification in the climate control system allows you to adjust the air temperature coming out of all center vents independent from the cabin temperature. This touch-sensitive control is located just below the center vent. After setting the cabin temperature on the climate control dash, you can touch here to make adjustments to the air temperature. coming out of the center vents on the driver and passenger side. These adjustments will also be shown on the iDrive display. The air blowing out of these center vents will now be slightly warmer or cooler, but will stay within the temperature range you have set on the climate display. Come test drive the 2016 BMW 7 Series at Boris Said's Center of Excellence, BMW of Murrieta. You've just watched video number 2, Touch Controls. Be sure and check out the other 5 videos.